Good morning and welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, not only will I be participating in a collab, honey, your girl is co-hosting a collab as the newest member of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Yes, honey. Our collab is called BlingontheFall. In today's video, I will be unboxing all of my fall decor and show you what I'm working with. And then I'll begin some DIYs and decorating. Now let's get right into it. So this morning I pulled out 2 bins of my fall decor and brought that into the garage. So I'm gonna lay out everything in the bins so I can see what I have, what I'm working with, and what I still need to get. Yeah, I know. It seems like a whole lot, and I'm always on the lookout for more. But let me go through each item and show you what I will be decorating with this season. I'm going to start off with this banner, which I think I got from Goodwill. There's no marking on it. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. Next, I have some wreaths. This first one is a beautiful decorated grapevine wreath, which I've had for some time. And it's still in pretty good condition. Not sure where I'm going to hang that. The next wreath I have here has more leaves and gourds, and one of these came off. So that's the next wreath. The last wreath, I believe, is probably my latest purchased. It looks a little newer. I may have bought this one last year. Couldn't tell you where I bought it from, but that is the next one that I have. And that one is very pretty as well. I know. Don't talk about me. Don't judge me. Next, I have just a bunch of this leaf garland that I generally will do on my mantle. Then I have, and these were a DIY a couple years ago. I generally will put these around. They're like little rings for my candles. I have this beautiful maple leaf candy dish that I've had for many years. As you can see, I scratched off the price tag. Couldn't even tell you where that came. I have several picks here, little scarecrows that I usually will stick into my potted plants. Then I have just a little Dollar Tree bucket here filled with orange and colored mini pumpkins and gourds. These yeah, it doesn't say where. Knowing your girl, it was probably on clearance. I have a couple of pieces over here that belong to my mom. This little scarecrow dish. This little scarecrow, which sits on a shelf. He lost a leg many years ago, but like I said, he was my mom's, and I still love him. This beautiful Pocahontas statue. That also belonged to my mom. This little standing scarecrow there. Here I have just a little goblin who sits on a shelf, and a witch that sits on a shelf as well. And she's pretty. And all of these items here were in my mom's collection. Next, I have here a little lantern that I got from Goodwill. I believe it was 49 cents, and I bought this as part of a haul, but I liked it, and it was originally hunter green, and I spray painted it a matte black. And the candles were also part of that same haul. I got 3 of those candles for $1.99. Very nice quality pillar. White pumpkins were a recent purchase from Home Goods, originally $9.99 with a 40% off all fall decor. I bought 2 bags of those. And this as well was a Goodwill, part of that same Goodwill thrift haul. I believe that was 49 cents. Then I have some of these larger. I don't see any price on those. Not sure where I got them. I've had them for several years. And I have these burlap pumpkins that I will usually put in a basket. And this one was also part of that same thrift haul from Goodwill. And I stuffed him when I was making the velvet pumpkins. And how cute is he? So next I have here a whole bunch of florals. I have a little fall arrangement here, which I may paint the little vase that I guess it was $12.99 at the time, and more than likely, like I said, knowing your girl, I caught it on an after holiday clearance. Then I have a bunch of, and they're taped together because I like to use these in a basket. Not sure if these were from Dollar Tree or I thrifted these, but I've had them for a good couple years. Beautiful bunch of cattails, very pretty. And some gorgeous mums that I thrifted about a month ago, I think, and used in my Orange Glad vignette. Bins that I usually serve the kids candy from, or trick-or-treating or whatever. These were a couple of recent purchases here. This I got the other day. I was in Ollie's, and that, as you can see, was $5.99. Just a little glass pumpkin, and I love that curly stem. This was part of that same thrift haul from Goodwill, and I love the shape like a pumpkin. It's actually a little tea light holder. You can put a tea light inside, and that was $1. Okay, then I have a few things that I picked up when I was at Dollar Tree the other day. I like this leaf. Not sure how I'm going to use this in my decor, or I may use that incorporated into a DIY. Then I had this little hanging sign. It actually had 3 of them. I cut one off because I was thinking about using this in a DIY, and it says grateful, thankful, and then the one that I took off said blessed. Underneath that, I just had a tablecloth. I think I was thinking about using that in a DIY as well. And then I had some more florals. I had these beautiful purple maple leaves, which you already know. Purple is my signature color. I picked up a couple of these little candles, which I really like the shape. Not sure if I'm going to keep them white or paint them more of an off-white. I picked up some picks as well. They had some really nice autumn picks this year, and some of those little pumpkin heads, those were cute. Pomegranate picks as well. I picked up one of these little straw bales. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but yeah. And a little birdhouse, same thing. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I may use that in a tiered tray. That is what it's looking like. These are all my fall items that I use. There may be a few more things. I have some DIYs and a couple of new items in store, and I may be changing the look or color of some of the items you see. So there's a lot in store for fall, and I hope you are all ready for it. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope this gives you inspiration to unbox your fall collection and get yourself ready for fall, because ready or not, honey, here it comes. And I'd also like to thank the ladies of the Home Decor Luxe Club, of which I am the newest member, and so happy to be part of this group. Honey, when I tell you these ladies put throw it down, honey. They decorate like none other. And I am so happy and proud that they invited me to be a part of their group. Now, you know I'm new to YouTube, just starting my channel recently, but it makes me so happy to know that seasoned YouTube decorators think that my style is worthy to be part of their club and of their collabs. Thank you again for watching, and until next time. Okay, these are the items I'm going to be using to decorate this wrought iron basket, and this too was a thrift find. I had them taped in the middle, and the reason that I did that is because I was going to use them for this basket, and I was just trying that out. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the next set, which is the orange set, and I'm going to lay those in as well. I hope you can make that. I have the fall leaves, and for those, I'm stretching them out as well. I have my burlap pumpkins, and I'm going to put those in the basket next. And this little burlap pumpkin as well. I think I'll stick him in the back. 2 little picks from the Dollar Tree. Last thing I'm going to stick in the basket is this little blessed sign that I cut off, and that was from Dollar Tree.